Welcome to another walkthrough. If you are preparing for your WAEC, JAMB, or NECO examinations, practicing at QandAHelp.com is one of the most effective ways to ensure you're ready for whatever the examiners throw at you. Let's look at WAEC Mathematics 2026, question 46. It says, the result of increasing a quantity x by 400% is 60. Find the value of x. Success here depends entirely on how you translate this phrase, increasing a quantity x by 400%. To find the value of x, we have to look past the English and turn those words into a clear algebraic equation. We start with x. In this scenario, x represents our original, untouched quantity, the baseline before we add any increase. It is a mathematical rule that every complete original item represents exactly 100% of itself. When you see a standalone x, it is implicitly holding that full 100% value. Keeping that baseline in mind changes how we see the rest of the problem. The question mentions a 400% increase. If we translate 400% of x into math, we get 400 over 100 times x, which simplifies to 4x. This is where many students fall into a trap. They set 4x directly equal to 60, solve for x, and get 15. Option A is a distractor, and it is incorrect. That calculation only finds the amount added. It ignores the word increasing, which means the original quantity must still be part of the total. Here is the correct logical flow. The original quantity plus the increase equals our final result. Our character starts with that one original block, our x. An increase of 400% adds 4 more identical blocks to the one we already have. When we count them all up, we have a total of 5 equal blocks. In algebra, that looks like this. X plus 4x equals 60. Because we combined the original baseline with the new increase, we are actually solving for 5x. To isolate x, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. 60 divided by 5 gives us our value. X equals 12. Verify this by plugging 12 back into the original problem. 400% of 12 is 48. Adding that increase of 48 to our original 12 gives exactly 60. This confirms the correct answer is option B. Taking a moment to verify your result this way helps you avoid the traps hidden in multiple choice options. Pause and try this. Increasing a quantity y by 200% gives 45. Find y. We add the 200% increase to the 100% baseline, getting 300%. That means 3y equals 45. Dividing by 3, y is 15. The same logic applies to decimals. Increasing p by 50% means we have 150% of the original. 1.5p equals 90, so p equals 60. Whether the increase is 400% or 50%, always remember to add it to that original baseline. To save time during the exam, use this shortcut. The new percentage always equals 100% plus the increase percentage. For our original question, 100 plus 400 gave us 500%, which made our equation 5x equals 60. Visit QandAHelp.com for detailed explanations across all your exam subjects, and don't forget to subscribe for more walkthroughs like this one. Accounting for that invisible 100% baseline stops those common exam tricks from working. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next session.